Sapphire Kingdom Gemology YouTube channel. We are teaching lesson 86. In this lesson, we will learn about ruby inclusions in the rocks of Afghanistan. Afghanistan Ruby. We are learning. Join us. Learn well. Join the gem business and enrich your future. Please subscribe, give a like and share and write a comment to improve my service. We are moving to the lesson. In this lesson, you haven't seen the contents of the ruby in Afghanistan, have you? It is here. This is a cover photo. Another cover photo is explaining partially healed naturally when the stone is creating. It is partially healed inclusion feather. It is here. This is a natural inclusion in Afghanistan ruby. It is partially healed inclusion, not completely healed, only partially healed. In here, nebulous irregular streamers in a ruby from Afghanistan. Nebulous irregular streamers. You can see irregular streamers. When you see this is not rutile needles. This is not parallel lines. So somebody will think it is curved line. No. It is irregular streamers in a Afghanistan ruby. So remember this very well. It is not synthetic stone. It is not parallel lines. So curved lines gives us evidence for the unnatural lab created ruby. But this is natural. This is not that. So remember this. Nebulous irregular streamers here. We are moving to next. What is here? Look at the inclusion here. Very well. Not what is it? What you can see here? Can you guess? These are not titanium lines. That means not a silk. It is not a silk. It is a nest of irregularly oriented needle inclusions. It is needle inclusions, but irregularly oriented in an unheated ruby from Afghanistan. So this is natural Afghanistan ruby. Don't misunderstand. So remember this very well. We are moving to next. Here, very nice natural ruby, no heat, pseudo secondary fluid inclusions. Fluid, liquid, pseudo secondary fluid inclusions in an unheated ruby from Afghanistan. It shows us with the reflected light. So try to understand well. Pseudo secondary fluid inclusion is here. We are moving to next. That one also, same thing. Pseudo secondary fluid inclusion in an unheated ruby from Afghanistan. See the first one. Now the second one. You can understand well. If you forgot to subscribe yet, please subscribe and give a like and share. We are moving to next. What is it? You can see white color and the light blue color. That means bluish and whitish. The background is red whitish and bluish zoning you can see. See, zoning. But look at this. These lines are perpendicular to this. These lines are perpendicular to this. It is like uh, ladder inclusions like whitish and bluish zoning is perpendicular each other. Untreated ruby from Afghanistan. You can identify it. Bluish and whitish zoning. Those are perpendicular. We are moving to next. What's it? Partially healed inclusion, feather. It is natural when the stone is creating 35 billion years earlier. It is healed partially, not completely healed. Partially healed inclusion, feather. It is from Afghanistan. We will learn in the next lesson. It is very important lesson, L87. We will learn gem appraisal. Gem appraisal. That is the hardest thing for you in the next lesson. We are learning gem appraisal in lesson number 87, which is hardest thing for you. Join us, learn well, join the gem business and enrich your future. Subscribe and share this. We will meet in next 87th lesson.